Welcome to Two Cars, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and overviews of the latest vehicles. I'm your host Leo, and today we're excited to bring you a detailed look at the 2025 Nissan Z. From its sleek exterior design to its advanced safety features, we'll cover it all. So let's dive in and explore what makes this car a standout in its class. Exterior design and color options. The 2025 Nissan Z boasts a sleek and aggressive design with a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. Available in 6 exterior colors: Sebring Silver, Boulder Gray, New Ruby Red, Pearl White Tricoat, Gun Metallic, Ikazuchi Yellow. Interior features: seating 2 passengers, sport-oriented seats. Infotainment 8-inch touchscreen display, Nissan Connect infotainment system. Technology: Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 8-speaker Bose premium audio system. Performance specifications: engine 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engine. Transmission 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Drive type rear-wheel drive RWD standard. Safety features: advanced driver assistance systems, automatic emergency braking, a lane departure warning and assist, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance technologies, rear cross traffic alert, forward collision warning, comfort and convenience features, climate control dual zone automatic climate control, driver assistance systems, heated seats, 8-way power driver's seat. Dimensions, cargo capacity, and towing capabilities. Length 172.4 inches. Width 72.8 inches. Height 51.8 inches. Cargo capacity 6.9 cubic feet. Towing capacity not recommended. Fuel efficiency and range estimates. Fuel economy MPG. 18 city, 24 highway manual transmission. 19 city, 26 highway automatic transmission. Fuel tank capacity 19 gallons. Trim levels and pricing information. Sport starting at $39,990. Performance starting at $43,790. Proto Spec starting at $46,690. Proto Track starting at $49,990. Thanks for watching Two Cars. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more automotive content. See you in the next video.